is being saved in this period of lockdown. We all know that lockdown is only one option for controlling this disease before any vaccine is made. We also know that the people of our country will suffer from economic crisis, but there are many ways in which we are saving our money. I will show you that how our money is being saved, including how our environment, resources, atmosphere are also saved in this period of lockdown. If lockdown is bad in some ways, it is also beneficial in many ways. I will show these benefits in the form of a flowchart. So let's see our flowchart. So this is a flowchart which indicates many reasons by which our money is saving as well as our environment is also affecting by these reasons. So the first reason is transport, second is social functions, next is tourism, then outside food and then extra expenses. We will briefly discuss about these reasons with other some flowcharts. This is the flowchart of our first reason, that is transport. How our money is saved due to the transport. So our all country is closed and no transport and vehicles are running. We are saving our money in petrol and diesel for our vehicles. Petrol and diesels are made up of coal, petroleum and other minerals. So including money, our precious resources such as coal, petroleum are also saving, as well as our environment is also free of pollution, as you see in the flow chart. Our next reason is functions, parties and weddings. We all spend lots of money in functions, parties and wedding, in shopping, organizing, food, etc. Nowadays, no weddings are happening, and if happens, with shortcut methods, with small number of guests. In weddings, DJs are played with loud noise, but lockdown is saving our money as well as controlling noise pollution also. As you can see in this flow chart. Another reason is tourism. As you all know that vacations are going on and many people plan tour and trips to many different and popular places. In this lockdown, no one went nothing and our tourism places are clean comparing to every year. In vacations, traffic also occurs at many famous places. But nowadays, all places are free of garbage and free of traffic. So we can say that cleanliness is maintained at every tourist places. Cancelling trips also saves our money and environment, as you can see in the flow chart. So next is outside food or stall food. When markets were opened, we often ate stall food, but now all shops and stalls are closed and no one is buying or selling market food. So we can say that we are taking healthy diet nowadays at our home. So it saves our money as well as our health. And when we are healthy, we become disease free. So lockdown keeps us healthy as well as disease free. Next is other expenses. Other expenses are included in those unnecessary things that we don't want today. Nowadays lockdown is going on and all the shops of unnecessary things such as clothes, utensils, etc. are closed. All the citizens of our country are aiming only to buy all the necessary and edible things they want, and no one is buying unnecessary things that are not needed now. This Unnecessary things are made in factories, and all the factories are clothes. That's why no air pollution is taking place in our country, and in the big cities such as Delhi, pollution is reducing day by day. There are also many other reasons that are saving our money in lockdown, such as cinema, malls, etc.